USS Bunker Hill replenishment at sea with USS Carl Vinson in the South China Sea. An oil tanker, MT Jade, caught by a powerful hurricane in the Atlantic Ocean. Preparation of ice platforms and unloading of the vessel on the dock in the Yenisei Bay of the Kara Sea through the Northern Sea Route. 3,500 tons of cargo and more than 170 pieces of equipment. A loaded cargo ship got caught in a storm in the Bay of Biscay. The waves passed through the entire deck of the ship. Incredible footage.
Really?
Ah ouais. Ah oui. Ja, un petit peu plus qu'on se pied celui-là. Là.
Yeah, we're an icebreaker. I got it.
It's gonna be a big one, I think. Oh, oh, look at this. Oh, holy.
This is the Johns Hopkins Glacier Calving. A calving this size has not been seen for over 30 years. This was observed from our cabin balcony on the yacht Island Princess. Academic Treshnikov is a Russian hydrometeorology and environmental monitoring research vessel sailing through a storm in the Bay of Biscay.
Wow, that's a big piece. Oh my God, look at that piece. Oh my God.
Installation of the Johann Malmstal vessel for unloading on a dock in the area of Cape Tanalao in the Yenisei Bay.
Oh, that's gonna go. Keep watching. Keep watching.
There it is. Oh, wow! Phenomena! Big wall. So hold on.
Yeah, hold on is right.
Look at that mini tsunami.
Tidal wave.
Did you see that tsunami?
A tidal wave.
Oh, really? Whoa.
A huge glacier is splitting apart,
That
forming a
was
huge blue ice
huge.
wall. Anyone who has seen such beauty in person will not forget.
That was
It's coming, it's coming.
yeah, hold on.
Beautiful shots of the Queen Elizabeth cruise ship in the Atlantic Ocean during an 11 magnitude storm. The ship cleaves through huge waves. A cruise ship crashes into an iceberg and a burst of water erupts behind the ship. Sawyer Glacier in the Tracy Arm Fjord, Alaska. In the early morning of March 16, 2011, the 225-meter bulk carrier MS Oliva runs aground at Nightingale Island, regarded as the second most important bird island in the world, and very remotely located at 1,500 miles from Cape Town. The Fedra engines failed to start, and efforts to secure new lines from 3 large tugs failed. It was pinned up against the cliffs below the Europa Point lighthouse. 4 of the ship's crew were airlifted to safety by the gallant efforts of the Spanish Coast Guard.
That probably did it.
I tried to have a nice relaxing pee and it all got blown away.
Yeah.
Oh, let's calm down.
Он еще одна идет.
Ship loses cargo during storm. The 195-meter-long oil tanker was caught in a 12-point storm. The wind speed reaches 50 meters per second.
What does that stop?
Oh, look. Wow. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yes.
I'm trying to think, should we be backing up?
No, it's not big enough.
Wow.
This Damen PSV 3300 CS is a medium-sized PSV dedicated to the transport of goods to and from offshore locations. It is given global relevance with its DP2 capabilities, 551, and preparation for oil recovery duties.
Wow, that was nice, man. That was nice, man. Oh shit.
The Ocean X Sanderling pushed to St. John's, NL from Halifax in a very bad winter storm. The vessel pushed at 11-12 knots, while other vessels in the area slowed to a safe 3-4 knots for safety and to prevent any damages.
Oh man. Huh?
Polar Onyx is an offshore construction vessel designed and built by UL Stein. Delivery to GC Reber Shipping. First assignment in deep waters offshore Brazil for Petrobras.
The other ships are nearby.
Stunning footage showing how the ship overcomes the storm. While the crew is calm, it's even fun for them.
Not me, the core.
No.
No.
Oh, I got this way.
The boat ended up against the rocks because of the strong Sirocco wind that throughout the day had blown over Sicily and is half sunk, bow first. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, either among the passengers or among the crew members. In all, there were 117 passengers and 6 crew members on board. Scenes of panic were recorded. The passengers were disembarked thanks to lifeboats and boats made available by the islanders. October 18th, 2014. Ebola scare on board. U.S. Coast Guard picking up blood sample from the Carnival Magic en route back to Galveston. A small fishing boat passes powerful waves near the rocks. A large loaded cargo ship sails in the Pacific Ocean through a 10-point Beaufort storm.
बड़ा वाला आ रहा है अभी
The aftermath of a major hurricane in the Indian Ocean. Part of the cargo on the ship was lost.
We stopped.
In the Sea of Okhotsk, a fishing vessel went fishing for crab in stormy weather. Bulk carrier Good Faith ran aground in stormy weather on the northern coast of Andros Island, Greece, in the Aegean Sea. Incredible footage of glaciers melting and making waves, taken from an expedition vessel in Antarctica.
Oh my god.
There it goes. Get it. Oh! It's called a pulper.
I thought the Red October was coming up this.
So popper is when you have a bit of an iceberg break off from underneath and it comes up and just out of nowhere goes pop. Which is why you may never get close to the foot of an iceberg because you can get one without knowing it's coming. They go right miles.
Move.
Yeah, move away, move away, move away.
Ни хрена себе, блин.
View from the bridge of refrigerated cargo ship MV Lady Rosebud during 60 KT winds and 15-meter waves recorded in the Mediterranean a few hours after passing Gibraltar. Scandi Iceman is a modern deep-sea anchor handler designed for versatile and reliable fieldwork in harsh environments. The vessel is built with a wide 24 meters beam for good general stability and, in particular, safe anchor handling operations. A fire broke out on the cargo ship at night. As a result, all the cars were destroyed.
Ja.
On the way to Cape Horn, the cruise ship encountered massive waves. Video taken on the Queen Elizabeth in very rough seas during her maiden transatlantic crossing in January 2011. On board the ship MS Expedition, Force 12 on the Beaufort scale, from the Antarctic Peninsula to South America. Aurora Australis, in a fully developed force 9 gale on her way to Antarctica. Wind 40-45 knots. Significant wave height 9 meters, but the most impressive wave is the dumping 14-meter breaker just ahead of the ship. A research vessel is sailing from Antarctica to Cape Town through a storm in the Southern Ocean. The Taimyr is a Russian nuclear icebreaker designed to guide ships to the mouths of Siberian rivers. The installation develops a capacity of 50,000 HP and allows the icebreaker to go through ice 2 meters thick. The icebreaker can operate at temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius. chemical tanker encountered a powerful storm on its way to New York. Subsea 7 has taken delivery of 7 Vega. The new reel-lay vessel is already operational and has started loading pipe for its first project. Naval experiment in the Pacific Ocean. An American warship or platform is deliberately sunk and spills into the water in an upright position in order to switch between horizontal and vertical orientations. The 7 Falcon is one of the most advanced diving vessels in the world, featuring a 24-man twin-bell saturation diving system rated to 400 meters and a heave-compensated 250-ton crane.
All I can say is shit. Better check their gun doors. They still there? Yeah.
Irina Arctica in storm hurricane weather, sailing against wind with about 30 meters at the coast of Greenland.
Vækst bare til helvede. Vi kommer længere og længere. Og så er den flere kommer nu.
Fantastic ice calving as seen from the radiance of the sea cruising through Glacier Bay. Captain said it was the largest one he had ever seen.
That was terrific.
There goes another one.
We may have to get up this time.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Oh, there she goes.
Yep, there we go. Oh, there we go. Huge piece. Whoa! Oh, there it goes! Yeah! Aha! Ooh. Yeah!
Look at that, it threw shit way out into the water.
Whoa, that's neat.
Oh my gosh.
Holy mackerel!